So this project is based on the automation of maritime documents. So basically, before going into concept, we'll first have to introduce about who is shipper, who is freight forwarder, and who is carrier. So the shipper is one who export their goods, and the freight forwarder is a logistic intermediary. So who can arrange the manage things between shipper and carrier, and he also responsible for handling other documents, kind of things. Carrier is a shipping company, so one who physically transport the goods from one place to another place by road, sea, or water. So this process involves multiple documents like invoice, quotation, shipping bills, master bill of lading, house bill of lading. So much of documents have involved in this process. So basically our problem statement is freight forwarding operation requires the conversion of MBL like master bill of lading into multiple house bill of lading. So the main purpose of this project is to automate the document flow. It helps the freight forwarders to arrange the things fastly. So existing freight management systems lack automated support, like end-to-end MBL to HBL, like kind of end-to-end automation is lacking in the. So here we created an automated and rule-based system that accurately extract the data from MBLs and generate the standard HBLs. Yeah. So freight forwarders receive the master bill of lading from the shipping company and distributed to the shippers. The freight forwarders are responsible for the HBLs. The current MBL to HBL process is largely manual, so and it takes much time and it's a repetitive process. So to address this challenge, this project proposes an automated solution of end-to-end MBL to HBL for both FCL and LCL shipments. So we analyze multiple research works on this. So in this project, we have some issues and challenges. Basically, the multiple document formats. So handling the text-based PDFs, scanned documents. Some some users can upload image of documents. So we need to handle this multiple document formats. And the mapping problem. So the information from MBL to HBL is maybe differ from document to document. So we need a complex mapping algorithm. And LCL cargo split logic. So this is basically the two types of modes available in shipments. Like LCL means the shipper can able to send the particular their goods in the some like reserved place in the container. FCL means they book the entire container to send their goods. For this and data validation complexity and OCR accuracy and noise handling and rule variations across customers. So each customers have their different rules. So we need to get the rules from the customers through the platform and we will generate the document based on that. So this is our architecture. First we have the front end. So this is the layer the user can interact, and here the user can able to upload MBLs and documents, multiple documents, and they can able to select template and download the generated HBLs here. And we have application layer. Basically it's a backend service. Here we handle multiple business logics and mapping logics are there. This processing layer have document extraction server and document generator. In document extraction server, first we send the PDFs or other what type of file it is, and there we first convert the file into images and then extract the text using OCR, and then we will map that data to the MBL schema using the AI models, and that data will go to this backend layer, and then again it will send the schema here to document generator. So the document generator basically get the schema and generate the document based on templates, and data are stored in the database layer. And for this we need some hardware requirements and software requirements. For front end we use Angular, and for back end we use Golang, and database we use MongoDB. PDF to image conversions we use Poplar, and optical character recognition, so we use Tesseract OCR, and we use some AI models like Grok, Olama, and Hugging Face models. And for PDF generation we use Playwright and WKHTML to PDF tools. So these are our modules. First module is a document upload module. So this is basically a front-end module. Here, user can able to manage the documents and upload the documents and check the preview and download the documents. All the operations are done in the front end. And we have document extraction module. This is basically we send the PDF and we'll extract the data from the documents. And the module 3 is a business logic module. It's a backend service. Here we convert every business logics and we map the schema to HBL, and the calculations, all the things are calculated, and here in the business layer, business logic here. And the final module is a document generation module. Here we send the JSON schema of the MBL and will generate the document based on that. So this is our implementation screenshots. So first we need to go to generate module and then upload the image, and we need to select the shipments, and the final result came with accuracy score. So this we can see later on the project demo, and you can download the documents, and this is a dashboard. You can see all the downloaded documents and all the generated documents here. Basically it is a platform to automatically generate the freight documents, and it's kind of a document management system also. So let's go and see the features one by one. Before that we have to log in. So if you are new to the platform, so just sign up. So here the freight forwarder, so this platform is basically for freight forwarders. So they need to give their company informations and contact informations here, and they create their passwords and username. After sign up, they need to log in again. So after login, you navigate to the dashboard. So here is a dashboard. You can see all your generated documents, what are the documents you generated, total document generated, and what are the types of document you generated, and recent activity. And you can able to see, download, see and delete the document. And here the filter option is also there. You can filter out the documents based on the type. And you can able to see the document here. So the next section is a booking section. So this is an important session because here the freight forwarders create the shippers shipments and update the status, and also here in this module the freight forwarders link their MBLs with their respective shipments. So this is a shipper section. Here you can add a new shippers by clicking the add shipper button. It requires shipper ID, contact, shipper name, and address of the company. Then you can able to edit and delete the shipper. Here it is a shipment page. So here you can able to create the shipment for the particular shippers. By clicking the add shipments, you need to mention the shipper, for which shipper you need to create the shipments, and select the mode. Basically in freight industry there are two modes are available, LCL and FCL. After selecting the mode, you need to give the description like what kind of product they want to ship and its weight informations and from where to where and what is their expected delivery date and packages count and special requirements. Some things are need to carefully handled, so the things are have been mentioned here. So after fill up all informations, the freight forwarder can able to add the shipment for the specific shipper. And this is an important button. So it's a create booking button. Here when the MBL arrives, so the freight forwarder insert the MBL number and link with the mode type. Like if the MBL type is LCL or FCL, based on that the shipper can select this and choose the carrier name. So carrier name means like Maersk, Evergreen, there are so many carriers are there, and the dates information here. After selecting mode and the MBL number, they can able to select the shippers. For LCL, they can able to select up to 5 shipments, and for FCL, they can able to select only one shipment. So based on this, they link the shipment with the MBL number. So this will effectively we can see in generate module. Status for updated bookings. So here you can edit the status like book in transit or delivered. So here the freight forwarders can able to manage the shippers, shipments and the booking status. So this is our core feature, generate. Here you have two options, document and photo document. Document means you can select what document to which document you need to generate and select the AI models. Then you have to upload the documents. Need to upload the master BL. So after uploading the document, click the start process. Here you can see the attached shipments with that MBL number. So you can see the MBL number and the freight forwarder like attach the shipments with this MBL number in the booking session. So here you can select for what are the shipments you need to generate HBL. So I select 3 shipments and generate preview. Here you can see the accuracy score because we extract the information from document like MBL using the AI, and that accuracy score you can see here, and this is the document generated This is actually a preview of AuxBL, and here you can also able to edit the document. If some information is wrong, you can edit that information like this. Save changes. You can see the updated value here, and after checking the all documents, all information, you can click confirm and generate. It will take some time because we need to generate multiple documents from a single document. Yeah, so you can successfully generate 3 documents from a single document. So here you can download all. It will download as a zip file, and here you can see the specific file also, and you can able to download it here. So here you can add the logo, and you can see the other details of the document here. So the next part is info to docs. Here you can enter the information manually and generate the document. So you can select template. For now we added 4 templates. In future we will add multiple templates on the freight industry. So you can give the example, like sample data here, and after filling all the required details you can generate document, and here you can add a name for the document to generate. Yes, so here you can able to see the document, view PDF and go to dashboard button and generate another document button. So here the same, here also same, you can see the data here and go to dashboard to see the recently generated 4 documents here. So this is our project. Thank you.